The right hero image for your Amazon product or your Shopify product or your eBay or Etsy product can make the world of difference, sometimes even doubling the amount of money that your product will make for you. But how do you know what the right hero image is? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can split test your hero images properly, and I'm also going to show you how to do it in such a way that you don't need to be brand registered on Amazon to do that. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm helping you build your own e-commerce business and make money online, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. We post new content every single day, all about helping you make a lot of money online. If you've got something you want me to cover as well, be sure to comment in the comments below and I'll make sure a video just for you. With that being said, let me show you how to split test images. How do I set up a split test campaign to check out and work out what I should use for Amazon, for my images, for my brand, for my avatar, that sort of thing, okay? So, here's why this is so important. So what Hebrew is saying is, how on earth can I figure out what to use as my main image, for instance? Or how on earth can I figure out what color schemes to use? Or how on earth can I figure out what brand positioning to do or what packaging to do for my product? How can I know with a high level of certainty what the best thing is, all things being equal? Okay, and the way that you find out things like that is by running something called a split test. So I'm going to show you a split test that I've done, and I'll give you links for these. I don't own this brand anymore. I used to own it, but I don't own it anymore. So you can do what the hell you want with it now, because I don't own it. I sold it ages ago. So this was two different versions of landing pages that we put together. You can see it's basically the same, but we're split testing hero images. So let's see if they're still running that. What are they still running? Okay, so So we use this to split test the different hero image, one without all the details on it, one with all the details on it. And we just wanted to know which one would work best, which one would make us more sales, okay? That was our kind of like, what is best thing, okay? So they've now got the one that lost, as it happens, in position number 2 of the images, and the winning one is still position number 1, which is what we set up. So really they haven't really changed this at all since we did shit with it. Anyway, so you've got your two different things that I'm looking to test, boink and boink, those two things. And now you need to set up Facebook ads to target the same audience of people. I'm not going to show you how to do this because it's a long process, but you set up Facebook ads targeting the same group of people with two variations. So two variations, your split test. Variation 1, you send half of your people here. Variation 2, you send the other half of your people here, and then you monitor which one, that one or that one, gets the most clicks and adds to cart. Okay, that's actually really simple to do. I use lead pages. That does it all for you. Okay, which one gets most? And then the winningest one is the one that you use. Okay, so let me show you some pictures of some folks doing that, so you can kind of see how that works in principle. This is Manscaped. They do beard and pubic hair shaving equipment. I don't know if you really shave your pubic hair. I assume you do, but maybe you don't. Maybe you don't. I've got no idea. Anyway, so you can do this on anybody's thing, on anybody's listing. So Facebook page, scroll down to page transparency, click on see all. This little pop-up will show up, tells you loads and loads of information about the business, but then you can also go to add library just there at the bottom. When you click on that, it takes you here, and now you can see all the different advertisements that this company is running. Okay, and these are split testing their ads. They're split testing all their ads. They've got it on Facebook, on Instagram, audience network, and also a messenger campaign. So I can see exactly what they're doing. And it says here, look, this ad has got multiple versions. So it's using dynamic insertion to do that. If you're in my inner circle, warning, blatant plug for inner circle coming up. If you're in my inner circle this month, so July, at the end of this month when we have inner circle, Rennie, who does my Facebook ads for me, is going to show you exactly how he does that. So Ren's coming on to do a complete step-by-step Facebook ads for Amazon, for e-commerce, for Shopify. He's going to show you the whole thing. So if you're in my inner circle, that's what's coming up in this month's inner circle. If you're not in my inner circle, you might want to consider joining if you like that kind of more advanced kind of stuff, okay? Anyway, that's how you find out all that kind of information. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A, which I do with the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. We have over 2,500 members and growing, with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about joining the Aussie online entrepreneurs, click on the link below and we'll take you there, or just go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you next time.